Okay, welcome back everybody. Got a really great Dewalt tool offer for you. I'm always searching out the best deals, that way you save the most amount of money. And here we go. Acme Tools, acmetools.com. I was looking for drywall tools the other day and found this offer, and it is almost half price off. It's definitely a really great deal. Before we start even getting into the video here, I just want to say for Acme Tools, if you are a new customer to them, they offer, you can get $10 off on your first order if you sign up for their emails. So it's always nice saving money. But let's get to that real offer here. Go to the search box and type in drywall Dewalt. Hit enter. And right here you're going to see a combo kit. Now, we can go to the big box stores and find combo kits, but a lot of these specialty ones, unless you're going to a website like Acme Tools, you never see them anywhere for offer. And right now, list price is $4.96, and they have it for $2.79. So go ahead and click on that. And I did the math on each individual tool. If I go to my big box store right now, it's about $578. Now, granted, the list price at $4.96, combo kits are always going to be cheaper because they want to sell you a couple tools at once and they'll pass on a little bit of savings to you. But I definitely could not pass this up for everything you get. Number one, you get a Dewalt XR Drywall Screw Gun. You get the cutout tool here. I'm not really sure why they added an impact driver. It seems like they add these to every kit. But I wouldn't really use that for drywall. If I needed to back out a screw, obviously I'm just going to put it in reverse on my screw gun and take it out. You get two 5 amp hour XR batteries, and then also you actually get the fast charger with this. This is the 8 amp hour fast charger, so definitely nice. And I was looking here, just the regular charger and two 5 amp hour batteries at my local big box store, they're $200. So for $79 more, you get all 3 of these tools and the case. So where are you going to go wrong with that one, So just to recap here, if you go down to the description, you can see everything that it comes with. Like I said, impact driver, the XR brushless drywall screw gun, drywall cutout tool, two 20-volt max XR 5 amp hour batteries, and an 8 amp hour fast charger. And you really cannot beat this deal right now. Now, I have no clue how long this is going to last for, but definitely act fast. One thing is, I thought I missed out on this deal because right now it says currently out of stock for online orders. Totally ignore that. What happens is you add this to cart right now. You can still place your order, but you have to wait 2 to 3 weeks because they'll order more from Dewalt and they'll ship it to you. Now, this is such a hot deal. Obviously, all their online stock is gone. But like I said, jump fast because this is going to be gone really soon. And to get all of this for that price, you're not going to see that again probably till next year. Because around Christmas is when the best deals are. So hurry up and check it out. Just wanted to pass on this tool deal. I'm sure I'll have some more because I'm always shopping for the best deal to save the most money. Thanks for watching.